Today, we are going to learn about the vowel sound aw. The aw, like in the word awe, is produced by positioning the tongue in the back and middle of your mouth. The jaw is lowered and partially open. The lips are rounded and move forward. The aw is lax, so it is short in duration, just like this.
Aw.
When you produce the correct aw, you can feel vibration in two places. These are in the vocal cords and at the body of your tongue in the back of your mouth. Now, let's talk about how the aw sound is written in English. O, cloth, boss, long, dog. A, fall. AU, audio. AW, yawn, saw. AUGH, taught. OUGH, thought. Then, let's practice the aw sound in words.